An incredible team spirit, unforgettable moments, and countless visuals and memories that will stay with us forever. Filming the 30 years of Fendt Vario celebration was an extraordinary experience. For 25 years, landtechniquevideos.de has travelled the world with cameras to capture agricultural technology in action. We grew up with the angular Favorit series and came of age alongside the revolutionary Vario with their continuously variable transmissions. This two-part video series gave us the rare chance to film legendary Varios in action and drive them ourselves again. Part 1 spotlights the groundbreaking Favorit 900 Vario series and the massive development efforts behind this milestone. After rolling out the continuously variable transmission across multiple series and power classes around 2000, Fendt engineers created a sensation again at Agritechnica 2005. The 936 Vario, with its 360 horsepower, was the most powerful production tractor of its time. Launching a new product in a bold new colour was highly unusual for manufacturers at the time. The Black Beauty's debut was a daring move. We learned that a backup tractor in classic Fendt colours was kept on standby in case of any backlash. Fortunately, that proved unnecessary. The striking black finish became iconic, sparking countless imitators. Technically, this 4th generation 900 series tractor set new standards. With a top speed of 60 km an hour, an independent suspension, and a car-like cab, the 936 turned into a true standout. Like many of the machines featured in this film, the 936 comes straight from Fendt's development department. Some components of this tractor differ slightly from the later series production in terms of technology and appearance. The tractor has only 480 hours of operation. In 2005, Fendt expanded the Vario family by adding a new, lower-powered series. The key feature was the ML75 transmission, which eliminated the need for range shifting and provided a top speed of 40 km per hour. The introduction of the 300 Vario met considerable resistance, since its predecessor, the Farmer 300 with manual transmission, was one of Market Oberdorf's best-selling tractors at the time. Offering the Vario transmission to smaller, price-sensitive farms was a strategic step towards equipping the full tractor lineup with a continuously variable transmission. In 2006, the 800 series bridged the gap between the 700 and 900 series. The flagship 820 model in the 800 Vario series topped Germany's sales charts for years after launch. The high demand was driven by its compact design, which still delivered over 5 tons of payload and 205 horsepower. These features were a big hit with contractors. Tractor Management System, TMS, delivered exceptional driving comfort. When activated, the TMS lets operators drive the tractor using just the accelerator pedal, like an automatic car. It automatically adjusts engine speed and transmission for optimal performance in any situation. Headland management was also introduced, further easing the driver's workload. The Fendt 820 Vario stands out for its excellent resale value. Even after 15 years and over 10,000 hours of operation, many used models still fetch more than €70,000. Now for the highlight of this film, the legendary Fendt Trisix story. Its sheer presence is stunning. 3 axles, 6 wheels and a massive bonnet housing a 540 horsepower engine. Few have seen the Trisix in action yet, and we had the rare privilege of driving it ourselves, right in front of a 12-metre compact disc harrow. We already held immense respect for this machine, but on that day, both behind the camera and behind the wheel, a dream came true. One major challenge for the engineers was delivering maximum power and torque to the ground while minimising slip. The goal was to manufacture a machine that could compete with large tracked and articulated tractors, but be powered by Fendt's own transmission. During development, the engineers faced multiple technical hurdles to achieve this balance. With no tyres available in the desired size, Fendt created the innovative 3-axle design. The front and rear axles were engineered as steering axles to enhance the vehicle's manoeuvrability. The tractor weighs 19 tons empty, which can be increased to up to 27 tons. Its diesel tank alone boasts a capacity of over 1,000 litres. Thanks to the multi-pass effect, the Trisix efficiently transfers power to the ground, and the developers also incorporated a tyre pressure regulation system. The greatest challenge, however, was the transmission technology. At the time, the ML260, the largest Vario transmission available, was not designed to handle over 500 horsepower. To overcome this, engineers equipped the rear axle with one Vario transmission and paired the front and centre axles with a second Vario transmission. A control unit coordinates these to ensure smooth and synchronised operation. Even after over 20 years, the Trisix still performs flawlessly across endless hectares. Its debut at Agritechnica 2007 made the giant agricultural machine famous, but it soon faded from the spotlight. 5 years later, the 1000 Vario series launch revealed how much Trisix technology lived on. But more on that later. In 2009, Fendt launched a provocative advertising slogan. Are you driving or still shifting gears? Fendt's confidence proved justified. This year marked delivery of 100,000 Vario units. The 200 Vario completed the fully continuously variable transmission lineup. While the production 200 series saw improvements, it was the narrow gauge variant that truly excelled with the addition of the Vario transmission. The ML70 faced a different challenge than the Trisix. Instead of maximising power, engineers needed to minimise space, specifically fitting the transmission between the rear wheels. They succeeded with a compact hydraulic motor. The breakthrough delivered an unexpected benefit. With no transmission tunnel intruding into the cab, operators enjoyed a completely flat floor. The premium pricing was offset by genuine performance gains. On steep terrain, the transmission enabled smooth starts and stops while maintaining traction. Remarkably, Fendt packaged the user-friendly Vario controls into a tractor with barely a metre of width. The company's decision to standardize the continuous variable transmission technology across its entire range was unconventional, but the strategy delivered exceptional results. More followed. Customers soon equated the brand directly with the Vario transmission technology. In 2012, Fendt inaugurated its new Market Oberdorf factory with a 500 Vario as the first tractor off the production line. Saving the best for last. The 1000 Vario represents the apex of this evolution, incorporating virtually every innovation discussed in this video. It brings the original vision full circle, combining the founding mission with decades of engineering expertise to deliver over 500 horsepower and tackle tomorrow's agricultural challenges. The world's most powerful production tractor. Three years after launching in 2014, unit number 1000 rolled off the line. Fendt conquered North America by customizing for local needs, track widths, tyre options, and farm-specific configurations. Trisix technology, like the pressure fan and suspension control, transferred almost directly. The second generation Vario transmission delivers continuously variable all-wheel drive with no gear changes. Upon its debut, the 1050 Vario earned recognition as a German masterpiece. It stands as the rightful successor to the pioneering Favorit 926 Vario. "30 years of Fendt Vario represent an incredible legacy. This film and the historic gathering of these machines have been truly special. For additional background information and detailed profiles, explore our web special, link in the description. Our sincere thanks to Fendt and the entire on-site team for their invaluable support.